Alright, how can we have our own AI assistant on our computer that summarizes and interacts with Zotero and our entire database to answer questions without us having to read through it all, okay? First, before we use this alternative, I should mention that there's something called LM Note that does exactly this. Well, not exactly. It also cites sources, okay? You can upload up to 50 sources there, alright? Zotero has no limit, but it's paid while Notebook LM is currently free. Take a look, try it out, okay? But let's continue with our tutorial anyway. So we'll search for Aria Zotero, alright? We'll go to the GitHub section, scroll down, and find an intro on how to set it up on our device. Here it is, see? Okay, basically we need to get this XPI file from GitHub, so let's go there. Here we have the XPI file. Now we're going to go to Tools, alright? Let's go to Plugins, click on this little wheel, okay? Click Get Plugin from File, and select the file we just downloaded. And there we have Aria, see? Aria is this icon here, okay? We select it, and can ask a question. Let's see, based on the test folder, what are the latest studies on... In my case, I was doing studies on orchids, so let's ask about orchids. Okay, what's going to happen? It'll ask us to enter the OpenAI key, alright? So we go to Edit, then to Preferences, and there we are. In Aria, okay, in Settings, go to Edit, Settings, then Aria. Here we can select the model type and enter the key. Got it? So this is where it costs money, because using ChatGPT servers for this tool will obviously consume credits, okay? How do we obtain this key? I assume many Zotero users might not know, right? Let's go there. We'll open our browser and search for ChatGPT API. It's that simple. We go to API. I'd go to API reference. Actually, it's the first one, API platform. We click Start Building or API Login. There it is. And there it prompts us to log in, okay? We'll go to API Login, okay? And we'll start. Well, it all leads to the same place. Here we need to go to the Settings section, okay? In this window that'll open, which is the same as before. And here we are in the API keys, okay? Important, you must have money in billing, okay? In my case, I do, okay? So here we go to API key, click Create New Secret Key, and that's it, okay? We can now use this tool. I'm going to delete this just in case any smarty pants shows up, alright? Hey, important, don't give this API to anyone, because if you do, they'll have unlimited access to your billing, you know? Any questions? I have paid ChatGPT. Do I also have credits? No. Okay, they're separate. So that's how we can use and integrate Aria with Zotero.